All right, we just got done messing with the calibration, and it is spot on. Let me show you what you do to calibrate your saw. All the saws have your bevel down here, your bevel degrees, and it's what sets your saw. So when you hear those detents, that's the preset numbers, and then everything in between. So we had to move this to bring it in line. Now what's left is we have to adjust our pointer, because now when you look over here, our pointer is just barely off. So now we got to bring that around, set it on 0. Perfect. So now we know that it's cutting perfectly square. It's cutting, we got it indicating dead 0. So now when we bring it over here to like 5 degrees or 10 degrees, and we lock that in, we know that cut's going to be right. These numbers come from the factory, set up perfect. I'll show you. Where was our last piece here? Our last cut off, this is after 4 cuts. 9/16. Come around. 9/16. So this piece is perfectly parallel. This piece here, perfectly square. What is that? 9 1/8. Then you go opposite corner. It's called pulling diagonals. 9 1/8. We know that guy's absolutely square. Now we're going to test this bevel. Well, this is in this regard. Make sure this is cutting square too. No? Let's measure it, see what we have. We have 3/4 strong. We have 3/4 strong. Can't ask for better than that. And the reason this is important is precision. When you hire a carpenter, you don't want someone showing up that has more caulking and putty in their truck than they do tools and nails. And this is one of the ways you ensure that when we show up, we're delivering the very best we can. Because every few months, we're going to get out our tools and we're going to calibrate them. We do the same thing with the table saw. We do the same thing with my track saw. We calibrate everything so we can rely on it and not waste your time with some sub-quality work.